pictures together. You know, at that point then somebody is having to spend a lot of their time training you, and no one's got the time to do that. So in NDTV we've got our own now it's like a broadcast training institute which people are getting into, and then they are coming in as interns. And for us that's working very well, and for people who are joining that also it's working very well, because what's really happening is that trains the people, and then when they come into the news operation, they know what they're doing. They are equipped, they have understood what is required, they've interned for X amount of time, so they hit the ground running. So I think some training is important. But what people are looking for at the end of the day, and what really gets you to rise, is essentially at the end of the day going to be about your caliber. And there are very few businesses that are as, to that respect, meritocratic as television news is. In most good organizations, it's not about who you know or how you know or the rest of it. It's about, for reporters, it's the reporters who are getting the news stories and delivering them on a day-by-day basis who rise really fast. On the desk, it's people who are being able to efficiently hold things together. You know, you look for people with that spark, the ability to get things done. And that's really what's required.
One more question. The thing is, what I see now, that most of the journalists are being very aggressive. Like, I don't name them, but then there are a few who make sure that they are the only face of the channel. You know, they are there all around. So, and the questions they put...
I wonder whom you're talking about.
I'm talking about...
I have no idea.
Arnab Goswami, for instance. He makes sure that he's there at News Hour 9 o'clock. And the thing is, we don't look at the topic. What exactly is the news for? Or what exactly? The more he himself is the one like he's talking everyone. He makes sure that he's the face of the channel. So,
but you know, I don't want to comment on any one individual or one thing. But you know, frankly, at the end of the day, viewers have got a choice. You know, at 9 o'clock, there are other channels to watch. I would urge you to do that, especially because I anchored 9 o'clock 3 days after 5, so you have a choice.
thank you so much, sir.
But, okay, let me get a quick question from you. But, you know, okay, let me just ask you guys this. Why don't I, you know, there are people, and frankly, this is a constant question that people have. There are people who like it, there are people who don't like it, right? And ratings are divided. I mean, I'm happy to say that over a period of the last 7-8 months, NDTV at 9 o'clock has got higher ratings than what you're talking about, right? So that's great. But there still is 25% people who watch. So I don't know, there are maybe a lot of people in this hall who